Hi everyone, my name is Li. Number number is 01DE19F1077 and I am from DEOC. My lecturer is Puan Rashida binti Abdullani. Today I will present about the insulators of transmission line. The introduction of transmission line insulator. Let's see what is happening. The overhead conductors for high voltage electric power transmission are bare and are insulated by the surrounding air. Conductors for lower voltage in distribution may have some insulation but are often bare as well. Let's see. Hence, insulators are used at the points where they are supported by utility poles or transmission towers. There are three types of insulator, which is pin type insulator, suspension type insulator, and strength or tension type of insulator. The pin insulator is depending on the application voltage. Pin type insulator may be 1 part, 2 parts, or 3 parts. In an 11 kV system, the entire pin insulator is one piece of properly formed porcelain or glass. The advantage of pin type insulator is low cost in installation and it is also easy to install. The disadvantage of the insulator is if any fault occurs at one disc, it is need to replace all the discs because all the disc is in one part. And another disadvantage is, and it is high cost for maintenance. Suspension insulator. Suspension type insulator is most useful insulator because it is suitable for any voltage level. After that, the number of insulators are connected in series to form a string and the line conductor is carried by the bottommost insulator. The advantage of suspension type insulator is it can be made suitable for any voltage level. After that, if any one of these insulators in a suspension string is damaged, it can be replaced much easily. The third advantage is the mechanical stress on the suspension insulator is less since the line hangs on a flexible suspension string. Last but not least, the conductor may be saved from lightening. The disadvantage of the insulator is it is costlier than pin and post type insulator, and the insulator requires more height of supporting structure than that for pin or post insulator to maintain same ground clearance of current conductor. Last but not least, more spacing between conductors should be provided. Tension or strain type insulator. Strain type insulator is an electrical insulator that works in mechanical strength to resist the balanced electrical cable. After that, strain insulators are used at sharp corners to sustain high stress at the corner of transmission line. More than 2 suspension strings are bound in parallel to sustain high tension, so these insulators provide a variety of suspension insulator in high voltage transmission line. The advantage of the insulator is it is able to use for low voltage up to 11 kV. It is safety because when insulator is damaged, the stay of guide wires will not drop to the ground. Strand insulator is designed with porcelain, which is eco-friendly materials. Disadvantage of the insulator is the high installation cost. Those are all my presentation. Thank you for watching.